Hello, I'm Mohit.
I'm Sohan.
And I'm Sanjeev of Class 8, Excel Public School, Mysore.
We are Team Soul Collectors and we are here to present our project Artecho.
Local artists play an important role in preserving and sharing cultural heritage, yet they often face difficulties in reaching broader audience.
By combining technology with culture, this project seeks to bridge the gap between artisans and their customers, ensuring that these treasures and the stories behind them reach a wider audience.
The Artecho is a vending machine that dispenses souvenirs of cultural significance.
As this is a prototype, the vending machine has been designed to dispense 4 souvenirs.
A miniature model of the Chundan Vallam, a snake boat representing Kerala, a miniature Jallikattu bull symbolizing Tamil Nadu, a Dappu drum model from Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, and a Vajramushti model showcasing the heritage of Karnataka.
Each souvenir will have a barcode which when scanned will give you info on the details and cultural significance of that souvenir.
The IR center detects the coin and signals the Arduino Mega to continue.
The user presses one of the 4 buttons to choose a souvenir.
The Arduino activates the corresponding servo motor which rotates the spring to push the souvenir out.
The LCD screen shows messages instructing the user on each step and status of the dispensing.
The machine is easy to use and can be built at a low cost.
It not only promotes cultural heritage but also helps artisans by increasing the sales of their products.
Thank you.